Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Quetzalcoatlus. Now, I might have butchered that name, but I'm not exactly sure how to say it. But this is going to be the new big flying dinosaur from the new Jurassic World trailer. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So we're going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a small little circle for the eye. I'm going to color most of this in. Next, I'm going to add a couple little lines above it and below it for a little bit of detail. Then we'll add a little line that goes up and down above it. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come down, and then we're just going to curve it down over here. Next, we're going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down, and then it's going to, at an angle, then it's going to kind of curve in. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a long beak that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this back up here, and I'm just going to angle this up for kind of like where the jaw would be. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come up and then bring it down here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. And I like to add just a couple more little curved lines in here, just show a little bit of texture and some wrinkles. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve in just a little bit, and then we're going to kind of bring it back. I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to kind of come down, and then we're just going to bring it back. Now we're going to bring this line down and then in, kind of form the chest area. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of hooks over, and it's going to come out. Then we're going to bring this line down here and curve it. I'm going to add a little claw shape right here. And then I'm going to bring this line up here for the wing. Next, I'm going to bring this line back down. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to bring it up here just so we can kind of see that where the bones are in here, and then a lot of this is just going to be kind of like the flap for the wings. I'm going to do that same thing up here, just a few broken lines that come up here. Now starting here, we're going to bring this line out, and then we're going to take it down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come straight down. We're going to add a little line that's going to come out to a point and down, and then one more here, and it's going to come back. I'll bring this line up, and then in and up here for the leg. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line down. We'll draw that other leg, so we'll draw a line that comes out and in, and then we're going to bring it up here. Then over here, we're going to draw another line that's going to come down. We're going to put that same curve on it, and we're going to bring it over. Put that little claw in there, and we're just going to bring it up. And then right up here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring it down. And then just like on that first one, we're just going to bring some of these little kind of broken lines in here, just show a little bit of detail. Now here's our basic drawing. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the quick little details. So one of the first things I'm going to do is add some little lines on here for the claws of the feet. So I'll just put like a little curved line and I'll add some little claws. Right up here, I'm going to draw a little broken line. It's going to come down and it's going to go back up like this in a very like triangular shape. This just shows that there's like a little bit of an indentation here. Going to add a little line that goes up and in. And another little couple quick lines there. I'm going to add some broken lines kind of right along some of these areas. Then I'm going to add a couple of quick lines in here just to show where kind of like that wing is folded. We'll add a couple little lines over here too. Add a few little extra detail lines right around here. A couple lines by the legs too. And a couple more by the horn and the beak. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Quetzalcoatlus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.